and very good afternoon. Friends, welcome to the channel Ekal Yatri has Sujoy and I am a presenter Sujoy Sarkar. So, after visiting the Ma Tarini temple and offering the prayer and puja, I have learnt about this magnificent and fantastic place. About 10 kilometers distance from Ghatagaon of Keonjhar district, and it is the wonderful Gundicha Ghai waterfall. Locally it is known as Gundicha Ghagi waterfall. In fact, the place where I have taken the accommodation at Ghatagaon, the caretaker of the Yatri Niwas, he has suggested me to visit this place. Thanks a lot to him. This is a picnic area also. The entire area is surrounded by Ghatagaon forest of Keonjhar district. So let us move towards the magnificent waterfall, the Gundicha Ghai waterfall. Visitors are enjoying here a lot. They have made picnic arrangements. Must visit this place. A panoramic view, a breathtaking view. In fact, this waterfall is about 10 kilometers distance from Ghatagaon of Keonjhar district. The area is surrounded by Ghatagaon forest under the Keonjhar division of Keonjhar district, of course. दिखा आ रहे हैं। offered my puja at Sri Sri Ma Tarini temple and had a blessing for all of us. Then the caretaker of the Yatri Niwas, where I have taken my accommodation from yesterday night till today, and he has advised me and suggested me that I should visit this place, the Gundicha waterfall, the Gundicha Ghai waterfall. Everybody is wonderfully enjoying the place. Even some of them are taking bath. ऐसा मन हो रहा है कि यहाँ से नहीं जाए, लेकिन मुझे तो ट्रैवल करना है, तो after some time I'll be going to Khattakao, the place of my accommodation for the night. So let us move. There is another waterfall nearby. One local has said me it is smaller than this one. Let me see and have a look. So many refreshment stalls are here. One can have nice snacks for the refreshment. Shops are here. An awesome view, in fact. And that is my Hercules Street Rider, the sole companion in my travel. भाई पाम्पड़ कितने? 20? 10? ओहो, good देवे. Now I shall have a beautiful snack of incredible Odisha, of course India, pampad. Thank you. In fact, I like this snack very much. In my lunch, in dinner, in breakfast also. There are sitting arrangements also. Beautifully managed. also enjoying the picnic. With music, DJ and band. Ooh. Here is the recap of the story so far. After visiting the Sri Sri Ma Tarini temple, which I visited today itself and offered my prayer and puja at Ghatagaon, I shall start my return trip to Bhubaneswar tomorrow, solely with my Hercules Street Rider. Then on 5th January, I shall be starting for Sri Sri Nilamadhava temple at Contilo on the banks of the mighty Mahanadi river, and that is on 5th January via Bagmari Kalapathar Road, Fatehgarh Road of Nayagarh district. Picnic spot. They're enjoying the picnic. After the Contilo trip, I shall be visiting Satpada via Malati Patapur of Puri district. That is also in the month of January. Followed by a visit to Sri Sri Harishankar temple of Bolangir district via Nuagaon of Nayagarh district. Picnic area, cold refreshment. भाई सेपटे कौन अच्छी?
सेपटे पिकनिक स्पॉट.
Picnic spot. A beautiful place to spend and enjoy. Surrounded by the forest of Ghatagaon, Keonjhar Forest Division. enjoying their picnic with music, band, DJ. If anybody is making a video of this place, no background music is required. We get the music automatically as the people are with the music, with the thrills, with the action. এটা কোন ভাই চনা কেতে আচ্ছা 10 টঙ্কার করদেলে সিজা চনা না খালি চনা দিଅନ୍ତୁ ହଉ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମିକ୍ସ କରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଝାଲମୁଢ଼ି ହବ କି ହଁ ଝାଲମୁଢ଼ି 20 ଟଙ୍କାର କରିଦିଅ In my previous videos also I have mentioned that one of my favorite is Jhal Mudi, the puff snack with different spices and vegetables. Dear friends, I hope that you are enjoying my travels solely with my Hercules Street Rider. Kindly keep enjoying the travel. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and enjoy more and more travels in and around Orissa with the Hercules Street Rider. Let me have the Jhal Mudi. बढ़िया से कर देवे लींबू पकाइए हाँ he is preparing the puff rice in combination with different spices and vegetables. Here we have radish, on that side it is there radish. देखा जाऊँगी तो आसुची So, cheers to Jhal Mudi. Very spicy Very delicious, crunchy, tender, nice. It's a very light snack. But yummy. The picnickers, they are enjoying a lot. They are dancing with the music tune, with the songs in local dialect of our incredible Odisha. धन्यवाद. That is my Hercules Street Rider, just waiting for me and ready to roll on the amazing roads of the forest of Ghatagaon. You know, incredible Keonjhar district. So friends, that's all for now from your presenter Sujoy Sarkar of Ekal Yatri has Sujoy. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thanks a lot and enjoy your days. Bye.